So this is how to load an Injectadeck cartridge into this gun. You'll see these pistons give you that 50-50 equal parts. They're a little tight in the ends of these on the cartridge rams, but so first you take the blue cap off. Under the blue cap is a black restrictor, which guarantees a 50-50 mix comes out of these two different weights and enters into the mixing tip at the proper rate, especially if you're shooting upside down like a sailboat ceiling or RV. So you take this restrictor, it has little feet, there's one hole in each component. You find this. Don't use other mixers with this. This is exact for this particular formula. So it's water catalytic. It loves to eat water and expand more. So don't leave those pencils in the holes for very long. You have to give it its relief. The reason why this doesn't blow up the deck is because usually you're drilling more than 3 holes, 4, 5, 6 holes, and the gases have a place to escape. If it gets cornered and it starts to rise, you can put weight on it and push it right back down. That's a loaded cartridge. Here are the byproducts: the white plug, the blue cap. I load it on the table and then place it in the gun. I wiggle this to make sure that my pistons are getting right into the center of those rams inside the cartridge. And that's how you load an Injectadeck cartridge.